Ever wondered how those endlessly moving stairs beneath your feet actually work? Today on Knowledge Hub, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of escalators, the marvels of mechanical engineering that silently transport millions of people every day. At first glance, an escalator looks like an ordinary staircase that moves. But underneath those ridged metal steps is a masterpiece of engineering, a complex system of chains, gears, and motors all working together in perfect coordination. At its core, an escalator is built around two continuous metal chains running on either side, connected by a series of individual steps. These chains are powered by an electric motor, usually located inside the machinery space at the top landing. The motor drives a large gear known as the main drive gear, which pulls the chains and therefore the steps in a continuous loop, creating that endless moving staircase. Each step isn't flat all the time. It has two sets of wheels. The front set rides on a lower track, while the rear set rides on a higher track. As the steps move along, the spacing between these tracks changes. When the tracks are level, the steps are flat. That's the part passengers ride on. But when the tracks diverge at the top or bottom, the steps collapse together like puzzle pieces, forming a flat platform that slides neatly back underneath. This ingenious track system keeps every step level under your feet while continuously looping back into motion. Then comes the handrail, something most people never think about. It's not just a moving rubber belt. It's made from layers of synthetic rubber and fabric stretched around a series of pulleys. It's driven by the same motor that powers the steps and carefully synchronized so that your hand moves at exactly the same speed as your feet. If it didn't, you'd constantly feel like you were slipping forward or backward. Safety is another masterpiece of design. The comb plates at each end, those yellow-toothed plates where steps disappear, are designed to minimize gaps and prevent objects from getting trapped. Sensors and switches automatically shut down the system if anything gets jammed or if there's an overspeed condition. Skirt brushes on the sides prevent clothing or shoes from catching between the step and side panels. And the emergency stop buttons placed at both ends ensure instant shutdown if something goes wrong. Modern escalators have taken this even further. Variable speed drives adjust the motor's power based on passenger load, saving energy when traffic is low. Some even feature regenerative braking, meaning when the escalator is descending with people on it, the motor acts as a generator, feeding electricity back into the building's grid. Even maintenance is becoming smarter, with sensors monitoring step alignment, vibration, and temperature to detect potential issues before they happen. So the next time you step onto an escalator, remember, beneath your feet is a century-old invention perfected by modern technology, a continuous dance of gears, steps, and physics working in harmony to move people safely and efficiently. If you've enjoyed uncovering the hidden engineering behind everyday life, don't forget to subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more deep dives. And as always, stay curious.